Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Y70. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the screen on your Lenovo Y70 flops backwards on its own, you're not alone. This is a common issue that occurs when the hinges become worn or damaged over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage to the screen or the laptop's internal components, so it's best to tackle this issue promptly. For this repair, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement hinge specifically designed for the Lenovo Y70. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Begin by flipping the laptop over and removing the battery if possible. Use your precision screwdriver to carefully unscrew the back panel, making sure to keep track of all screws. Once the back panel is removed, you'll want to locate the hinge area, which is typically where the screen connects to the base of the laptop. Inspect the hinges for any signs of damage or wear. At this point, gently disconnect any cables that may be obstructing your access to the hinges. Take care not to pull too hard, as these cables can be delicate. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, using your tweezers, remove the old hinge by unscrewing it from its mounting point. It's important to note the type of screws used, as they may vary. Once the old hinge is removed, take your new hinge and align it correctly before securing it in place with the screws. Make sure to apply the appropriate amount of force, over-tightening can cause further damage. After the hinge is securely attached, reattach any cables that were disconnected earlier, ensuring they are properly seated. Now, carefully replace the back panel of your Lenovo Y70 and screw it back into place. Reinsert the battery if you removed it, plug in the power, and turn your device back on to check that the screen is functioning correctly. You should now see that the screen no longer flops backwards. To prevent this issue from recurring, be mindful of the way you open and close your laptop. Avoid putting excessive pressure on the screen and ensure that your device is not dropped or bumped, as this can weaken the hinges over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.